Mastering, sing happy birthday in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very special and universally recognized phrase, sing happy birthday. This simple phrase carries a lot of cultural significance and is a great way to participate in English-speaking celebrations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to polish your English skills, understanding this phrase is a key step in your language learning journey. Sing happy birthday refers to the act of singing the happy birthday song, a traditional song that is sung to celebrate someone's birthday. This song is known worldwide and is often accompanied by clapping and sometimes even a small dance. It's not just about the words. It's about sharing joy and making the birthday person feel special. The lyrics of the Happy Birthday song are quite simple, but let's break them down. Happy birthday to you, repeated twice. This is the heart of the song, expressing well wishes to the person celebrating their birthday. Happy birthday dear, name, insert the name of the birthday person here. It personalizes the song and directs the celebration towards them. Happy birthday to you, repeated once. This line concludes the song, wrapping up the warm wishes. Understanding each line's meaning helps convey your genuine wishes when you sing it. In English-speaking cultures, singing happy birthday is a common practice that signifies love, appreciation, and camaraderie. It's often sung at the beginning of a birthday party or right before cutting the birthday cake. Knowing this song and participating in the singing is a wonderful way to connect with English-speaking friends and colleagues during birthday celebrations. Practice the melody. It's simple and repetitive, making it easy to learn. Enunciate clearly. Make sure to pronounce the words clearly, especially the name of the birthday person. Smile and enjoy. Your body language can show your happiness for the person's special day. Sing with joy. Singing happy birthday is more than just a song. It's a universal expression of joy and celebration in English-speaking cultures. By understanding its lyrics, meaning, and cultural significance, you're not just learning English, you're embracing a part of its culture. We hope this video has made you more comfortable and confident in joining in the next time you hear, happy birthday to you. Thank you for watching, and happy language learning.